Hey, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Tony RB22 back with another one, and today we gonna be working on the truck because I got to get a fender liner put on because it came off with some. My fender liner had came off because the truck did cave in because I had bad CV axles. I had a busted hub. My wheel bearings is bad and had a bad brake line. So I'm gonna put a picture up in the video of that, but the truck is already fixed. I already replaced all the parts. I just got to get my fender liner put on. I've been procrastinating because, as you did see in the past video, I did just cop the wide body Scat. So we still do have the truck. We got two vehicles. We got the Scat and we got the truck. Y'all comment down below what content y'all want to see, what type of videos you want to see, more vehicle content or whatever, like pranks, challenges, mall vlogs, whatever you want to do. Just let me know. Just comment it down below and we can get that going on. But right now we waiting on my boy Will to pull up. He gonna ride behind me. I don't know if he gonna ride behind me or ride with me. I gotta drop the truck off, get that fender line put up, and we'll go from there. So my boy Will finally pulled up. As you see, we got the wide body Challenger right here. Wide body Scat. It's a little dirty because the pollen, the bees done got pollen over, but Warlock's still looking good. It's still the wide body. And we got Shurkan. We still got Shurkan, you know, King of the Jungle. Shurkan. You know how we go. But this is what I was talking about. Like, we gotta get that fender liner put in. We gotta get the fender liner put in, and then that'll be pretty much it. I don't know what today is gonna consist of. I might flip through different days. I don't really know if anything else I do today might be interesting or not, but this is what it will look like with the fender liner on. It's dirty though, cause I've been in the mud. It's something the truck's supposed to do, but you know, we'll probably get it all washed up. As you can see, the pollen going on it. Got my boy Will.
Just hanging around.
Nah, he just hanging around. But yeah, we're gonna get that fender liner put on. Get that taken care of, then we're gonna hop back in the Scat. For sure. I haven't driven my truck in a little minute though, so I don't know if it's gonna, might not even crank for real. But if it do, we're gonna get that cold start. The cold start gonna be crazy. Hey, we'll come get the cold start right quick. Hopefully it crank. That cold start right quick. So we finna go to the shop right now. We're gonna try to get that fender liner put on, and I get back with you. Now we are at the shop now. Little shop right up the road. Now I ain't been driving my truck since I got the Scat, but there's one thing that ain't new. I never have gas in it. Yeah, I'm E. I never have gas. Huh? No. Oh. No, my battery ain't dead. No, I was on. I had the key halfway turned to show how much gas I had in. But yeah. By the way, you ever come to Marion, get you some Tiger Mark. Best chicken in Marion. I see. Best chicken in Marion. At least. But yeah. That's all the stuff that came off the truck when it fell in. All those parts. It hurt to kick it out, but you gotta pay to play. Especially when you gotta maintain two vehicles. it get bad. But this is a fender flare that I gotta put on. Brand new.
Yeah, that's what I say. I really can't tell. Okay, that's the bumper right there. That's the piece that's hanging down. Is there something missing?
Lord, give my Corey over here. Look, I get a thumbnail.
I was like, that'd be a little thumbnail right here.
You got me in the truck?
Yeah.
You got me in the truck?
Yeah.
All right, look, y'all, when I make this thumbnail, I want y'all to comment down below if he got a good shot for me to make this thumbnail.
Alright. Yeah, I take I know I got to put that back in place. See what we got.
If they is, they broke off.
Hello? Yeah. See if they want it, if they can get it to me. I can't give you a definite price so I really look at it in person, but I'll give you a good price either way. Yeah, just say five. Just say five. To be on the safe side. Yeah, that's you too.
Nah, he wanna dance.
Y'all get at me. Y'all let me know if I should make a TikTok. Best dancer out for real.
Got some lines down here. When they put that lift kit on there. It's wore out. Gotta wait so long, but just. Yeah, you got one.
I got one. Y'all peep the working tire though. Y'all peep the working tire. Repping the brand. Nah. Any matter of fact, I ain't even gonna rep the brand. I'm gonna cover that up. I'm just show the working tire till they sponsor me. They ain't sponsoring me for real. See, a regular check ain't sponsoring me, but we go red windbreaker. You know, we go black and red tee. What's dude name on Friday? His dad.
Damn.
Willie Jones.
Yeah, Willie Jones.
We go Mr. Willie Jones shorts with the Ant Bear Stompers. Ant Bear Stompers.
Somebody burning something, fucking up something at Tiger Mart.
Ooh.
Somebody burning something.
George. They put George in the kitchen. George burning it down.
Somebody burning some shit.
Made me sweat. Also, y'all let me know if y'all ever been swallowed up. Y'all ever been swallowed up? Like, have you ever been through a period of time of being swallowed up?
About 2.5.
What you mean by that?
It's cold, boy.
What's
cold.
cold?
It's cold. Hey.
I got about 3/4 of
Hey,
it right now.
it's cold right now. It's cold. Little man can't get up.
Somebody's cold. I got about 3/4. 3/4 in me.
Shit, about a quarter.
Now I gotta watch. Ain't no point in watching.
Ain't no point.
Ain't no point in watching because I ain't driving and the probably gonna be right back on it tomorrow.
The only way to avoid that shit, you put a cover over that
Yeah,
shit.
if I get a cover, that's what I mean.
Well, I get one for the car. I don't care about the truck for real.
Yeah. I had to get a damn cover. Gotta fact, I'm gonna see about some 10. I'm gonna see about some 10. Let me see. I'm about to call Philip. And the truck is fixed. We're back. We got the inner fender liner on. So we're back with the first look. Clean out. All we gotta do is give it a wash, which I probably won't do because I'm lazy, but that's all it needs is a wash. How we looking on the new? And this man took this dude. Come on, bro. This man took my hat.
Bro, you can't argue with a wide body, bro.
You can't argue with a wide body.
So I ain't arguing with him.
Yeah, bro. Well, that problem was fixed. He slapped that on for me for free. And my guy, any work done I got done in my truck except the lift kit itself, that's the guy that did it. I don't know what the rest of today may consist of. I know, what time is it?
Shit, 11:51.
11:51. All right, so what I am gonna do, I'm finna go get a truck review with my boy Khalil. So I gotta go get. I'm gonna pick up the scat because I ain't driving the truck. Cause I don't got that. I have to put gas in it. I don't want to put gas in it. I just put gas in the scat. I ain't balling now. So what we finna do? I'm finna drop the truck back off in the yard, crank up in the scat, hit my boy Khalil, and then meet him, shoot that truck review, and then whatever after that is just whatever else I do. Now I don't know where my keys at. Where's my keys?
Nah, he can't find his keys.
Will done.
About 2.5. About 2.5.
Hopefully we make it. Hopefully we make it back to the house.
Shit.
Cause I'm below E.
That needle just dropped.
And the needle just dropped. He done recalculated. And this car in my way. I gotta get the oil change too. I got all this time for oil change because I drove about 2 hours and 30 to Columbia.
Shit, boy.
Then I went to Newberry, there and back, so had a little tea. I gotta get the oil change. I could do that today. But am I gonna do that today? Probably not. But we just gonna get that truck review. So yeah.
I want to see that selfie stick in my trunk. I want to see that shit in there.
You talking about the tripod? Or
Yeah.
the silver?
I don't know what that shit is. We had that shit last time we went to the mall.
Tripod.
Yeah.
Oh, I left it in your car?
Yeah.
Oh, that's yours.
It's either yours or Deontay's. One of them shits.
Now they got a Jeep in the yard.
Oh, hey, oh shit. Hey, see,
man,
man, that's tough. It's tough.
Hey, listen, y'all. One thing you never know. You never know who be in who yard at night. You'll be surprised who car you find in somebody's yard at night.
Shit.
They be creeping and peeping. Y'all comment, if y'all made it this far in the video, comment creeping and peeping. They be creeping and peeping.
Shit. Just hanging wrong. Hey. That's crazy though.
Hell yeah. That look good. Yeah. Y'all wondering which one I like more? The truck still is at home. I love the truck more. This was more of a business purchase to help grow the channel. This is at home. This is the love of my heart at home. I love my truck. I'll never neglect my truck, and I would take care of the truck no matter whatever go wrong. I go broke fixing my truck. I ain't going broke trying to fix that. I sell it to Will. Let Will buy it.
I ain't want to sell it to me.
I let Will take it out of my hands. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all back when I get up with Khalil. And yeah, we're gonna hop in the scat and we're gonna scat off, you know what I'm saying?
Like a damn pop out with his nighttime in. She put on watch, can't my time sit, but on walk, I done put about 4 lines. 4 nines, AR so long as your arm size. Zips to the face and hit hard like a punchline. I can pop me a bait, but I need to get more high. We gon' water boy down, we get tired of driving. She gon' fuck for a meal, seen the crew and thought 5 guys. You can nigga, her you lay your